Welcome. In front of me I have a Motorola Razr 70, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can find it, you could use a paperclip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, I do want to just quickly mention this: if you use a paperclip, just make sure you cut off that plastic wrapping off of it. Otherwise, it might be just too thick, too girthy to pop out the tray right here. So anyway, grab your tool. I'm gonna leave that without a comment. For this though, you need to take off this weird case frame kind of thingy thing. It's gonna be on the top left side of the device, and you can just push it in there firmly, and you can see when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. Place the card like so on the tray, and just hold on the tray, so make sure it's laying completely flush on it, as you can see this one is. There we go. Oh, now it's completely flush, and then insert it back into your device, and you're good to go. Now I do want to quickly mention you can use two numbers on this device. Even though you have single SIM card tray, you will most likely have two numbers that you can use at the same time by going into the settings, and let's see, it's gonna be right here, SIM and mobile network. Yep, and add new SIM and set up eSIM. So that's how you add your second number. It would be through an eSIM. But anyway, once you insert your card, confirm the PIN like I did, the card is ready to go. Now for eSIM, you do need to have internet connection and scan the QR code. Now with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.